In a world often divided by borders and cultures, LLIVO Corporation is breaking new ground with an ambitious mission to become the first company ever to employ at least one person from every nationality on the planet. This isn't just about expanding operations, it's about promoting unity, friendship, and a shared vision for a more connected world. On LLIVO.com, hosts and guests don't just exchange services, they connect as friends, bridging cultural gaps and creating memories that transcend geographical distances. LLIVO aims to celebrate diversity in its most genuine form, employing representatives from every nation. As automation and AI reshape the job market, the need for human connection has never been more critical. While technology advances, LLIVO offers an alternative, a space where people matter more than profits and the human touch is irreplaceable. Why does this matter now? As traditional jobs decrease, there's a rising need for new forms of engagement, particularly in industries that cannot be automated, like hospitality, friendship and cultural exchange. LLIVO's business model is inherently human-centric. It's built on the idea that while technology evolves, people will always crave meaningful interactions. This initiative is timely, as studies predict a significant rise in unemployment due to automation. LLIVO stands ready to provide new avenues for people to engage with the global community, creating experiences that can't be replicated by machines. Join the movement. Be part of LLIVO's global family. Whether you're a host, a traveler, or someone passionate about making meaningful global connections, LLIVO offers you a space to grow, connect, and contribute to something bigger. Sign up today at LLIVO.com. Help us build a world where people come together as guests and leave as lifelong friends. Sign up today at LLIVO.com and be part of a corporation that is on track to employ someone from every nationality on the planet. Help us build a world where people come together as guests and leave as lifelong friends.